Pilates Day without trending audio.
Down for 2 and then up. Try to bring your seat down to your heels. Let your knees bend forward. Yeah. Single counts. Here we go. Down and up. Inhale. Exhale. And down. Down and edge. Lift and lower. Yes, to the right. Nice. You hold it at the top. Hold. I'm going to bring the leg a little more over here. Yeah. And up. Yes. 3. 2 more here. 2. 1 more. Exhale to straighten. Good. Again, pull the abs back towards the spine, towards the mat. Reach over for your right foot and left shoulder away from your face. And look over to the left, the other side. Shoulder back, look up to the ceiling. Exhale, reach forward towards your toes and hold into the spinal stretch. Now, hands together at the top, hands to chest, exhale.